examples include population growth, radioactive decay, and cooling of objects, and even money in the bank account. These situations follow what we call exponential growth and exponential decay. By learning how to use the formulas for exponential growth and decay, students develop skills in mathematical modeling, critical thinking, and real-world problem solving. This topic also strengthens students' ability to connect mathematics with science, economics, and daily life situations. So here's the problem number one. A radioactive isotope has a half-life of 24 days. How much of 500 grams remains after 60 days? Suppose a radioactive isotope has a half-life of 24 days. That means every 24 days, the substance becomes half of its previous amount. So here's the mass. We're gonna divide it into two so that it's a half-line mass, so half of 500 grams. So 500 grams divided 2, which is 250. Then the time is 24 days. 24 ang yan. We use the formula of m times time is equal to m sub 0 e k and t. K is exponential growth or decay. We're gonna first get the k in order to get the remaining after 60 days, remains after 60 days. So then we can substitute the formula. 250 is equal to m sub 0 is 500 grams. A, because this is the one we get to 24 days. Then next is we're gonna transpose this here. So 250 divided 500 is 1 half. 1 half is equal to E K 24. Next, in order to cancel the E, both and then balira na siya into decimal point. 0.5 is equal to K 24. Then para makuha na nato ang K, transpose na to ang 24 here. So ln of 0.5 divided 24 equals K. So we use only two decimal points, so it is negative 0.03 K. So this is the final answer. Since the K is negative, it is exponential decay. Next step, next step we get the remaining kung pila ang remain sa after 60 days. So M is equal to 60. Kaya type niya kay 60 man, then M sub 0 is 500 E negative 0.03. 500 times E negative 0.03 naman ang value sa K. Then, ang time niya is 60. Then M sub 60 is equal to 500 times, let's say, multiply na siya, E, we use only two decimal places. So, negative 0.03 times 60, which is negative 1.8. Then M sub 60 is equal to 500 times the value of negative e to the power the value of e to the power of negative 1.8 is 0.17. So M sub 60 is equal to 500 times 0.17 is 85 grams. So this is the final answer in this problem. So here's the problem number 2. A culture starts with 200 bacteria and grows at 50% per hour. Find the population after 4 hours. Since grows went down, so the key here is exponential is equal to 200. Kay mo na siya, silbi y sub 0 naman na 200. 200 times e, e times k. So, we're gonna substitute this y sub 0 here. 200 divide 200. Then in order to cancel the e, we're gonna put ln of 1.3 is equal to k na lang ang makabilin. So, 200 divided 200 is equal to 1 man. So, understandable na nga, ln of 1.3 ang iyang k. Ano siya? K. Since k is positive, ano siya? Exponential growth. Next, we're gonna identify the population after 4 hours. Use this formula. So y is equal to 200 times e. Since we're gonna 1 man ang 4 hours man ang time niya 4, tapos ang iyang k is ln of 1.3. So y is equal to 200 times e ln of 1.3 times 4. Ibalhin ako ang ln of 1.3, ibalhin ang 4 na rin. Then y is equal to ilargo na siya compute sa calculator. Ang answer niya is 571.22. Ano niya ha? Population after 4 hours, 571.22.